Hello guys, this is Rohit and welcome back with this video. I'm just practicing English, so I need a topic to speak on. I will daily record and not I daily record video, but not you know what I wanna say. I wanna say कि I makes video on daily basis when I try to speak in English. I make video, I use camera, I talk on camera so that I can record myself while I speak in English only, because of I give 10 minutes for myself to speak in English only. I will never you know think in my native language. Even I am wrong, I am not even correct in any sentence. I makes many sentence in wrong structure. But this is the reason. And this, what, why I am making this video. I am making this video because of I want to gain fluency. I know many words. I thought, कि if I get such and such vocabulary, then I will start making video. Then I will be fluent in 1 month. I will be fluent in some days. But this kind of things never happens. You know what the reason? Reason is, you know 100 words, 200 words, 500 words. Certainly. Okay. I'm sure you know many words in English, but if I talk to you, if I tell you, कि speak out loud, speak to me in good manner in a sentence, or speak to me, so you will, it's probably you will get stuck, because of you are not used to, your tongue is not used to those words to speak out. This is why I practice my tongue and practice my mind to think in English, and I practice my tongue to speak only in English. This is why I am making this video. Okay, so let's talk about today. I don't have topic. I don't have many topic to speak in English, because of I don't have so much word in those topics, whatever may be the topics. But I have one topic daily, what I did today, because of it's 10:30 p.m. now. I am shooting or making this video. I am recording myself speaking English. I am, I am not new. I practice, I can't say how much time I gave to gain my fluency, but yes, I gave much time to gain fluency. But now you can see this is my actual fluency. I don't even know how much time I use the the word whenever I got stuck, I use you know so you will this is not intentional, so you will get love, I know. But this word got my tongue. This word is used to my tongue whenever I want to take pause. So my tongue says, so let's talk about what I did today. I wake up because of it's Sunday today. So I wake up because of on Sundays. I wakes up. I wake up late. Comparison other days. In comparison other days, because of other days I go to the court, because of I am a lawyer. This is why, this is the only reason I want to speak English, you know, in courts. If you want to gain supremacy, if you want to get, you know, good cases, if you want to argument in the courtroom before the judge, you have to argue in English only. You can't argue in Hindi. If you argue in Hindi, then, you know, opposite counsel or a counsels who, you know, sits behind of you for, you know, for waiting for their matters. This is why, you know, advocate or, you know, judge sometimes, you know, not taking your submission seriously, because of you are making your submission, you are defending your client in Hindi, and opposite counsel is, you know, making submission in English. Then how can you, you know, feel ki- yeah, this is your standard. You are saying you are a lawyer. Why are you not improving yourself? Why are you not, you know, learning English? Learning English, I know this is a journey, this is not a one day task, I know. So why are you not, you know, improving your English? Why are you not doing your doing? If I do workout for my muscle get, you know, bigger and stronger. This is, you know, this kind of things we can do for, you know, my body become stronger and bigger. This is the similar way to get your mind trained to think in English only. So this is the reason. And now talk about today itself. Okay, what I did today. I wake up around at, you know, 10 a.m. 10, yes, 10:15 or 10 a.m. Let's suppose, because of I didn't, you know, on the daily basis I am not interact with phone in the morning. I can't touch phone in the morning when wake up, and I go to the just, you know, doing my, you know, morning routine. Morning routine is like, when I, you know, wake up in the morning, I go to the toilet and taking bath and brushing teeth, and then I take breakfast. After breakfast, I, you know, dress up well for the court, and then I, you know, but let's talk about today, because of I can't, you know, I am not talking. Let's talk about today itself. I wake up around and 10:30 and 10:30, yes, we can say. And then I go to the toilet and take a bath, brushing teeth and taking breakfast. And then I committed to a person to go to a, you know, go to some walk in a, you know, historical place, because of, and then after around 2:15 p.m. I left my home to the, you know, tourist place, and I go to the place for, you know, visit, and I walk all around. That place was good, but not so good. There, the ticket price was 20 rupees per person, be two-person, so we paid 14 rupees, 14 rupees for two-person. We went in the place and visited all around that place for the couple, but we was not couple. We both were male, so that place were not suitable for me. This is why I feel not good that day, that, you know, there, because of when whenever you see here and there, so you see the couples like with each other, with their couple, not with others and towards other, with other. And whenever you see some couples are sitting and some couples are laying down, and some you know one couple is, we can't say couple, one is sitting and one is laying, and taking his head on her leg, and the girl is like, I can't express in English. And so we both were laughing at that time. Look at that couple, what is, what are they doing? And this kind of things I look today at that place when I visited today, and I click some amazing photos there. So from photos we can say we covered our 20 rupees ticket, and the photos was awesome. This is why we can't suggest anyone to visit there, because of that place is not good, not so good. If you are like bored or dumb, you can go, but that place is not good, not so good. You can go. And then I come to the home, and I make vegetables in the morning, and I the remaining vegetables I add in the lunch. I had lunch at 1 p.m. today, and the remaining vegetables and a cooked vegetable. I don't know what to say. Cooked vegetable. I pour in the bowl, and we can say in the tiffin, and I put in the refrigerator, so that vegetables would not be, what we can say in English, so that not spoiled we can say. If we you know kept out the vegetable, then vegetable would be spoiled. That is why I put the tiffin, the in the refrigerator, and we can say in short term freeze. Yeah, freeze, we can say freeze, fridge, fridge, fridge. And fridge makes my vegetables fresh, and I have it now, and just I have it in my dinner. And after dinner I scrolling videos, Instagram videos, and some YouTube videos. On YouTube I only watch you know motivational videos, and learning speaking English videos, and some kinds of motivational videos, and some kinds of learning videos in related to my field, law field. Okay. And then I edit my video. How can I say, just before video, and this is the video you can see, and you will see my previous video. Yes, previous video, this is the right word. I edit my previous video on for my YouTube, and I upload it now, and you know will be public in the morning at 8 a.m. in the morning tomorrow. And this video I am shooting now, and I will I will not edit. I will this kinds of video, and this is the video some kinds of editing, like editing, like if I upload, like this is not the right ratio, because of I don't know why, but I flip this video like this, and then I upload on YouTube. Okay, so this was my day. I'm shooting this video. I don't know, okay, I will edit this video today or tomorrow, but yes, I will practice on the daily basis. I usually says that I will practice only 10 minutes, but it's almost 50 minutes now, 15 minutes now, 15 16 minutes now. Let's, it's enough for today. Let's meet in the tomorrow.